I got VIP access to a pita bread factory in New Jersey called Toufayan Bakeries, and you won't believe what I got to see. I put on my very sexy hairnet and watched how quality ingredients and care was put into the dough itself. From there, it was taken to a machine that simply turns it into little dough balls, onto an elevator system that sorts it out really carefully, and then each dough ball is pressed onto a conveyor belt. The pita bread now has to proof, and that takes quite a long time in this massive conveyor belt proofer. But before you know it, these guys have to go into the largest hearth-baked oven I've ever seen in my life. That's when they all get nice and puffed up and ready to cool down. But first, I get to taste one of these beauties, and I'm telling you, if you've ever had fresh pita bread, you know it's special. Extra care is taken by these guys to make sure that all your pita bread is perfect and then packaged automatically through the conveyor belt again and sealed. Now they box up these fresh Toufayan pita breads, seal it up, and then it goes straight to your supermarket.